Hi everyone! I'm here today to make Leche Flan. It's a Filipino dessert which is made of egg yolks. Actually, no, let me just read the ingredients. It's made of egg yolks, sugar, condensed milk, fresh milk, vanilla extract, and boiling water. It says prep time is 10 minutes, cook time is 15 minutes for a total of about an hour. So I'm using a recipe that I found on panlasangpinoy.com. It's for a serving of 4, but I'm just gonna use half of the recommended ingredients here. I guess they're suggested ingredients. So I'm gonna need 6 egg yolks, 3/8 cups granulated white sugar, half a cup of condensed milk, half a cup of fresh milk, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of boiling water. Yes. So first instruction is to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, which I already did. Then heat a saucepan in the stovetop. And then add the sugar. So I'm just gonna add the sugar. Actually, let me show you my ingredients first. Here they are. Well, the egg yolks, sugar. I have the milk in here. I have the egg whites. I'm not gonna use that. And then a vanilla. Okay. So let me see. So I'm gonna add the sugar now in the saucepan. Sugar. Continue to cook until it starts to melt. Just stir it. It's melting now. Did I use this? Probably shouldn't have used this.
Why?
It's sticking to the thing.
Use the red one. What's
So just note, don't use this kind of thing to stir your sugar because it's just gonna get stuck in there. So the sugar is melting. It's starting to caramel soon. See, that's why I don't like baking. I don't have the patience.
I see that.
I think it's all melted. Pour the caramel into the mold.
Is it caramel or is it just milk?
It's melted and it looks like caramel. So it's caramel.
Nice. Nice. It looks very caramelly.
So I put the caramel in the pans, muffin pans. And now I'm going to beat the egg yolks. Add the condensed milk. Oh, the condensed milk, I forgot to open the can. Add the condensed milk while drying.
A whole can?
Huh? No, half a can. While heating, slowly pour the fresh milk into the bowl and add the vanilla. So I have the egg yolks, the condensed milk. Now I'm going to add the fresh milk, which was in a Tim Hortons cup. and add the vanilla extract. So I'll only need half a teaspoon. This should be good as a teaspoon.
Yeah, it's an actual teaspoon. I think half a teaspoon's a cap.
I think this is half. I'm just gonna put that in. That was half. And beat until all the mixture becomes smooth. So, pour the mixture into each mold with the caramel. And cover the mold with aluminum foil. So now I'm just boiling some water, which will be used in the tray for when I actually do the baking part. I'll put the mold in the pan, and I'm just gonna pour the boiling water around it once the water is boiled.
There.
Just pour it over.
Careful when you pour it in so it doesn't spill after that.
Yeah.
Magic.
I'm gonna pour some water into one of them.
Impatient.
I don't know if this is enough water. I think it's fine, whatever. I'm just gonna. It says 1 to 1.5 inches. I'll just go with this. 50 minutes.
50?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 610.
610.
609.
Timer. What did I say?
50.
5.
Start.
I think it's going.
Okay.
I think.
It doesn't matter. It's 609 if it doesn't go.
And that's it. Now we wait. Alright, so now it's just past 6 o'clock and I've taken the tray out of the oven and let's take a look. There it is. Maybe I'll take a picture later once it's cooled down, and hopefully it also looks good once I take it out of the pan. Okay, see you later. Bye. So here's another look at the Leche Flan. There was some caramel that hardened like creme brulee, but this is just the part when I flipped it over with the liquid caramel. Not too bad.